Ladies and gentlemen, when you think of the word perfection, what comes to mind? What comes to mind when you think of the word perfection? I don't know about you guys. I'm going to tell you what comes to mind. And that's exactly what happened today. It was perfection. Let's get into it. All right. Trade recap for today, January 15th. My camera's a little messed up. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, I'm going lower. Okay, I'm really low now. All right. We were trading on ES today. And I decided to use RP Profits strategy, which I talked about in my last trading video. If you guys didn't see that, watch that. So here's exactly what I did. Took a rectangle and I drew it from the high to the low of the first 15-minute candle from 8 to 8:15 a.m. Okay. Here, let me get rid of my kill zone indicator real quick. All right. I scale down to the 1 minute time frame. I wait for market open. Here we go, 9:30. Here's market open. Market opens. We break here. I'm simply just waiting for a retest. That's all it is. Same strategy. It's going to be the same strategy for a while. This is one of the two strategies I use. This is my ES strategy. This is my only ES strategy. Now we're waiting for a retest of this 15-minute midpoint here. See, it comes down a little bit. And look what we get here. Make sure that's really lined up. Look what we get here. Boom. I don't think it actually technically touches midpoint, but I take a trade right here. Okay. I take a trade. And I don't take a trade when this candle closes. It wouldn't have mattered, but I don't take a trade when the candle closes. I closes it right when it touches, or I enter the trade right when it touches the midpoint. So I enter right here. I set my stop to 5 points, trading 8 micros, in other words, $200. Set a nice and warm TP of 1 to 3. Nice risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3. And you can see we just smash it. We don't even go into the negatives for a second. It even goes to 1 to 4 at some point up here. So so that ended me up at around plus 594 for the day. So I'm up 594 for the day off that trade. Simple mechanical strategy. I don't even know what to tell you. I'm finally up on this account. It is nowhere near my first funded account. It's like my 8th or something. This is my 7th. I don't know. I've had a few. 6th, 7th, 8th, something like that. And now I'm up. You can see here. I'll show you my TradeZella dashboard right here, so you guys just know what I've been doing on this account. so far. This is a different account from the one I made my first video on this channel. But as you can see here, here's my P&L for the month. 38, negative 257, 658. So that puts me at plus 440 for the month. It was a good trade. Apparently I lost $6 this day. What the heck was that? Yeah. So it's looking pretty good this week. I am going to trade tomorrow. Monday is Martin Luther King's Day. So I don't know if I'll be able to trade that day. But if I can, if I find out, then I'll either do a live trade or recap or something similar. So yeah, on the account, about 439.67. And we're looking pretty fine. You know, I'm really just surprised on how well this strategy worked out today. Like genuinely, it was actually perfect. So that's it. I'm just gonna keep it short. No need to have this video over like 8 minutes. So yeah, this is the trade I took today. And I'm just excited. I think I'm going to be full porting CPI on February 11th, so watch for that to try and pass my account. If I don't pass it by then, hopefully. So we'll see what happens. And oh my God, look at that. There's no way this hits again. There's actually no way. I don't think it would, but I'm just curious on how high this would get. Like replace that there. All right, nice little 1.5 almost. It's something. Yeah, but you can even call this a break. And then you wait for the tap here. And then you could do a sell when it retests this midpoint. Stop of 5. And this obviously hits 1 to 3. Yeah, price action was actually pretty good today. I thought it was going to be bad because it was looking pretty choppy. And then it started to fledge out a little bit as we got later into the day. Yeah, but this is the trade I took today. It was just really good. It's my best trade I've ever taken. I didn't actually miss it. I almost missed it again because my teachers keep telling me to close my Chromebooks. It's unbelievable. It's actually unbelievable. I missed a $520 trade one day and missed another $400 trade another day. So I would have been up like an extra $900. I would have been up like $1,100 or something. $1,300. I don't know. But yeah, we're looking pretty good. 55% trade win percentage. We're up on the week. You know, even if I lose tomorrow, I'll still be up on the week by at least 400. So it's just consistency. I'm just gonna see what happens, and that's about it. So yep, it's most critical.